Today we're going to use a fully updated method for the latest version of Android so you too can fix it and recover your device in the easiest and fastest way possible, without needing a PC. We won't be using a PC in this video tutorial. What we're going to do to fix it and recover it is connect to a network. We need Wi-Fi to begin this process and fix and recover our cell phone. If we reset and formatted it, it took us to the home screen and we're locked with the Google account screen lock. We also have other methods completely different from this one, which are explained in the video description and in the first pinned comment. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin this recovery process. Since we won't be using a PC in this video, we're going to make a series of configurations that you have to do to fix and recover your phone. If we don't make these configurations, we won't be able to solve this recovery. With all that said, as we understand, we're already connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now what we're going to do is get to where that lock appears, where it all started. We changed our screen lock, but after a while we forgot it, reset it, and then it took us to the home screen and we're locked with that screen lock. Now that we've reset it, we're seeing the pattern or password we changed. If that's your case, and you've been through this too, don't worry, because in this video tutorial we'll explain everything step by step. All you have to do is follow our instructions. Now we're going to go to where the lock is located. And then we'll go to where the email address appears. That's also an option. If you forgot your screen lock, you can recover it with your email. But if you don't remember your email, don't worry, just follow the steps we'll show you in this video tutorial. In the video description and the first, we'll also leave other methods. Those for the latest versions, so you can also use them to fix the problem and recover your lock. The idea here is for you to be able to recover your lock. Let us know in the comments what you think of this video tutorial. We're going to click where it says, don't copy. We'll click where it says, don't copy, we'll click here. After we click, don't copy, it will take us to where that pattern, that password, appears. We'll have it here. It tells us to use my Google account. We're going to click where it says, use my Google account, and now it will take us to that other section where it will show us that account. Okay, but if you're someone who doesn't know any of that, you're going to click here where it says, forget Gmail. You're going to click it, and here you're going to write the following. You click next, then you're going to do it again here. You're going to do it again here too, here in the second option. We do it again, and then we're going to click here on next. We're going to do this for about 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, then we'll be solving the recovery of our cell phone. As we've indicated, in the easiest and fastest way, which would be without needing to use a PC. A completely PC-free method. Now let those 30 seconds pass. Then we're going to go back to the start, we're going to go back to the start, Start, we're going to click several times here on the screen, we click several times until it takes us to this section. We're going to click it once, click it again. Click here where it says, Add New Network, click this little gear icon. Click here on Language, click the 3 dots, Update, go back. Click here on the second option, Disable it. Click the third option here on the first one and disable it again. Then click here on Reset to reset these 2 options. Now that we've reset everything, we're going to press the power button and the volume up, down button at the same time. This will cause a forced restart. We're going to do this forced restart, and now we'll wait for our phone to take us directly to the home screen. To finish this recovery, as we've indicated, this is the easiest and fastest way, without needing a PC. A completely PC-free method. For those people, leave in the comments what you thought of this video tutorial. If it worked correctly for you, if it didn't work, leave us in the comments so we can help. To help you solve this problem, as we've indicated in the video description and the first pinned comment, you'll find other completely different methods. Updated methods you'll find there. Now that our phone is restarting, let's do the following. Click here on Start, click here, click again. You can see that these icons are now enabled here. Here we can see that the padlock is still there. Let's click Next. Now we'll go back to Appears. The screen lock. Let's wait here for it to take us to that section. We'll wait a few seconds. It will take us here, and now we'll do the following configuration too. Then finish and recover our cell phone as we've indicated, in the easiest and fastest way without needing to use a PC. Leave us a comment if it worked correctly for you, and if it didn't work, let us know so we can guide you. And to help you fix and recover your cell phone, let's wait here. It's very helpful if you leave comments about which model it worked on and which model it didn't work on. We're going to click here where it says, Don't copy. Now it takes us to this section. Here we can see that we still have the lock. Here we can see that it would take us to where that Google account appears. Here the Google account appears again. We're going to click back. We're going to remove any SIM card we have in our phone and turn off the Wi-Fi network. We're going to wait until there's no SIM card and the Wi-Fi network is turned off. You're going to click here where it says, Don't copy. It takes you here to these Google services. You click Accept. You click here on Skip, don't add anything yet. Click Skip. If you can see that the padlock still appears. We click Next, we click here on Skip. We click Next, we click here on Finish. We're going to see the padlock. It still appears. Let's go, see if it appears. The padlock is still here, as you can see now. When it takes us to the start, that padlock will disappear. Now we have to configure it again.